You never eat beef?
I don't like beef.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But I will try.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I am on my way to Shangri-La Fort to meet David Wilde. He's one of my closest friends in Cebu. And so we decided na since nandito siya ngayon sa Manila, mag-meet kami and we'll have dinner together. So, excuse my double chin. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm here at Shangri-La, the fort, and I'm with my good friend here, David Wilde.
Yes.
Say hi to them, Dee.
So, all the way from Cebu, naglayo kayo na.
Yes, so, I think dugay na matagal na kaming hindi nagkikita.
Yeah.
Magtatagalog ako sa
maybe like in months na siguro.
Wow. No.
Yeah, yeah. Or like almost.
Kasi hindi
month is it?
kita nakikita sa office.
Yeah, because I don't go to the office.
Why?
I'll explain later. It's
Okay,
like
so magchichika kami kasi matagal na kami hindi nag-uusap. Okay guys, so this is the perfect time and he is taking me to Raging Bull here in Shangri-La Fort. There. So I actually asked Didi, saan tayo kakain? Sabi niya, sa Shangri-La Fort. Sabi ko, oh my god, I'm not used to social places. Didi. Sabi niya, get used to it.
get used to it, Malaya. It's your life.
Hindi ko carry di. You know, kaya Drake. Wait, try na ko kung best.
It's okay. Like we're not eating anything like crazy or whatever, right? It's
Okay.
meat, so like I'm not gonna make you eat like raw meat sushi like I did Gio.
Okay.
You know Gio? The camera guy ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
When you went to
when
Japan.
I went to Japan, I made him eat Wagyu sushi. Giluwa bitaw niya. Okay.
Isang ako siguro, I won't
You won't eat raw meat?
No.
Why? It's so good.
No.
It's okay. We're not eating anything like crazy or whatever tonight. Okay?
Okay, so let's see kung anong resulta nila guys. So magka-catch up lang kami ngayong araw. At kakain! Ayun!
Here, check it out. And then this place has like super good reviews on.
Shala! That's how shala he is.
Actually, we're gonna be, if it's available, I'll ask first if it's available before I review it.
He's also vlogging.
Except like, mas nindot ang setup niya Malaya.
No way.
Nasa
No way.
cam. Kaka kay ko, phone ra. Guba pa dun nga phone. You know, I dropped it.
Dili said always, agkawa baka actually, mas convenient.
Ang phone,
Mas convenient
no.
din ang phone. Kaya kaya sa hasulan ko kaya I have to transfer pati.
Oh.
Diba, sometimes i-edit na sa phone.
No. I can't edit the phone.
Yeah. So tell them what you just said.
Okay, Malaya. So tonight for dinner, we are eating a 10,000 peso steak.
Wow.
Actually, it's like 9,800. Oh no, 8,950 plus the side plus all the extra shit. So, and
So guys, ganun kayaman si David Wilde.
no. I just wanted a clickbait title. And I haven't seen you in forever. So I was like, okay, come on,
Oh my
let's do
God.
this.
So hindi lahat ng mangyayari ngayong gabi i-film namin kasi marami kaming pag-uusapan.
Yeah. We gotta make chica. Wait, there's two cameras on. But
Marami
like,
kaming pag-uusapan.
you'll see the fun part, the tasting part, and then like, whatever we decide to show you. Okay, we're gonna turn this off and we're gonna have a conversation while waiting for the food.
A few moments later.
So apparently, one of their best sellers here is this thing called a Maryland crab cake.
Maryland crab cake.
So kung Bisaya pa ni crab relenio. I don't know, like something's supposed to be special about it.
Pan?
Pan rin na, wait.
Pan na.
Maning presyo nga pandesal.
Okay, so this is our appetizer.
Oh. So ang pandesal sa kung afam ka, di siya pandesal, dinner roll siya.
See?
What's radish in Bisaya?
That I do not know.
Okay, let's try it. Oh, it smells so good. Mayo on it. Pretty good, right? You like it? It tastes complicated. It tastes like there's other stuff in it. I have no idea. We'll check the menu later. Well, the reason why our appetizers are so tiny is because the weight of the steak that we ordered is 1,100 grams, which is basically a kilo, right? The thing is, we're eating a tomahawk steak, so it's bone-in ribeye, which means the flavor from the bone will come.
Okay, I have no idea about steaks.
Sometimes that's all you need. Like, you know, when you get rejected or you break up with somebody, you feel like you're so ugly, nobody wants you and whatever, right? And sometimes all you need is just to know that you are likable and that people like you. So just put yourself out there. Maybe somebody will flirt with you, or if you wanna help your friend out.
Dami na niyang sinasabi ko.
If you want to help your friend out who's going through a breakup, ask somebody to flirt with her a little. They don't have to do anything, but that feeling that like somebody likes you, yeah, you remind yourself that you're not worthless and ugly. Like, you are still likable. It was just that one person that didn't work out. And the final tip, I have learned to be able to accept and forgive somebody for an apology that you will never receive. So
Forgive someone who's not even sorry.
yeah. Once you reach that point, you know you're over it. Because it's like,
That's maturity also.
yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Once you can forgive somebody for something they didn't even feel sorry for, because it's on you, right? You're the one who feels bad, so you're the one who has to deal with it.
1 hour later.
So Malaya just figured out that she should change the settings on her cam so we look like actual human beings now. Because now we look like lobsters. But
Sorry guys, so ito na yun. Okay guys, so kanina nag-uusap kami about his love life. Well, not
My past few
anymore.
months.
Yeah, for the past few months. Because I noticed, parang hindi ko nararamdaman si D the past few months. Talagang parang, oh my God, bakit parang walang David Wilde sa By TV, walang David Wilde sa buhay ng mga content creators na tinulungan ng sumikat.
I went into seclusion, basically.
Ayan guys. And for those of you who do not know, David Wilde conceptualized and produced kay Malaya. So siya yun guys.
And I'm so fucking glad I did it. Yeah, that's basically what my job is. I'm their mom, their dad, their kuya. I just poured my entire heart and soul for what happened to me earlier this year to you.
You need a hug from me.
Yeah, I needed that hug.
Well, ako, wala masyadong nangyari sa buhay ko din.
You don't have to report it, okay? Like, whatever you're comfortable with, that's
Okay,
fine.
so
Like, I'm not
magchika na
gonna
kami
force it.
guys. Hindi ko i-vlog yung aking experiences the past few months. So hanggang dito muna. Oh my God, that's huge!
Oh.
Wow! Wow. So guys, we have our food here.
This is the whole reason why we came here. No, we came here to meet Chica. The
Wait, I'm
sickest
gonna take a
person.
picture of this.
Oh, what? You never eat beef.
I don't like beef,
Oh, I'm sorry.
but I will try.
Okay.
Kasi guys, lahat ng mga friends ko, close friends ko talaga, lalo na yung mga high school best friends ko, yung family ko, alam nila na hindi talaga ako kumakain ng beef. Sa rason na, nalalangsahan ako. Nalalangsahan ako sa amoy, saka sa lasa.
So smell this.
Pero kumakain ako ng beef patty, corned beef, yung mga processed na. Pero yung parang whole beef, yung mga nilagang baka, hindi talaga ako kumakain ng ganun, guys.
Wait, try it. Smell it, bro. Smell it.
But it smells so good.
Do you
Ah,
smell like the
no,
langsada?
no, not the langsada.
Because this is quality premium beef. It has a score. Do they get annoyed that you don't eat beef? They like beef.
Because every time na nagluluto ng, kunwari nilagang baka yung papa ko sa bahay, iba yung ulam ko. Either tuna or pritong isda para kay Malaya. Kasi hindi talaga ako kumakain ng beef. So yun.
What sauce do you want? Like a sweeter sauce, a peppery sauce. This one. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Do you like it? No, you don't like it?
I like it beef.
Oh, you do?
It's not the usual beef that I've tasted when I was young. Kasi siguro pag bata ka, pag may natikman kang di mo gusto, matadala mo yun hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Honestly, this is my first time na kumain ako ng steak.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, because you don't eat beef, so you never wanted steak. Well, I'm glad I popped your steak cherry. No, why?
It's not in the mouth. I can't believe I just tasted my first ever steak.
And probably the
with
best
bacon.
one.
So good. As I've said, it's not the usual beef na nasa utak ko lagi na parang hindi ako kakain ng beef kasi malangsa. Ayoko ng amoy. But this one's different.
Special.
So guys, tapos na kaming kumain sa Raging Bull.
Yeah.
How was the food?
Delicious.
Ako talaga ako tatanungin nyo guys, grabe. Heaven. Sobra.
Now she likes
Tsaka na-mention namin kanina, diba, na I hate beef. Totoo yun. Fun fact, Malaya hates beef. Pero iba yung kanina. Sana pala hindi ako nagpadala sa trauma ko nung beef ko nung kabataan. Matagal na sana akong nakatikim ng ganun kasarap na beef. Oh my God, the steak, oh my God. Thank you, beef, for taking
Oh,
me
of
there.
course.
Thank you.
I haven't seen you in so long, so I was just like, what should we get? Steak. Great
The best,
steak.
guys. Now we're heading for dessert.
The next day.
Hey guys! So, next day na. I'm sorry I wasn't able to vlog because we talked about personal things and we got so emotional sa mga pinag-usapan namin. And, yun nga, nung time na yun guys, actually, nung papunta ka ako doon, talagang nagdadalawang isip ako. Kasi alam mo yung sobrang, galing pa kasi akong Bulaganan. Tapos alam mo yung sobrang pagod ng katawan mo. Pero parang may urge ako na parang kailangan mong pumunta. Lahat talaga ng sama ng loob ko, lahat ng mga experiences ko, lately nung time na yon na ibuhos ko, and I was able to realize a lot of things. I just needed someone to talk to, someone very dear to me, someone who really knows me, someone who will really understand what I'm going through and knows what to tell me to get better or to feel better. So ayun, I'm so sorry, ganito yung mukha ko. Galing ako ng general cleaning sa bahay, so ganito yung test lock natin. And medyo nag-break out ako kasi PMSing. So yun guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Nothing much, but ayun, I just wanna share kung ano nangyari sa akin yung araw na yun and vlog about it. So yun, yung mga trauma natin pag bata tayo, I think it's normal na may trauma tayo with certain things. Ako with beef, with my experience with beef when I was younger. Right now, after I tasted that steak, oh my god, that glorious steak, gusto kong bumalik sa Shangri-La at i-try ulit yun pag may pera na ako. So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless!